It's fucking hot. Mitch is so lonely. It's because you're mean. You're mean, Mitch. Oh. Yes, pretty girl. Oh boy.
I don't think he wants me here. I can't tell if he's angry or excited.
See? Hey man, you got pretty head feathers, but you can't rock it.
Screw that. Screw that. Oh, feather. Hello? Hello? What? Oh, hello? You waving at me? Okay. Hello? You gonna speak? Oh. Hello? This is the only one that doesn't hate me. Ooh. Oh. What are you doing? Ooh. Yeah? Oh. Yeah.
So we're having a meeting there. And we'll sit here, I'll sit with her and chat. And cats will come from up there and just look at us and want to eat the food. There's some budgies here.
Oh, budgies. I'm gonna go back to Fred because he's screaming. What do you want, Fred? Oh, don't you perk your head up at me like that. Where are you going? Where are you going? Ever wondered how a bird climbs? He's ignoring me. I'm gonna post this on YouTube after.
Okay.
Nobody likes you, Mitch. Hey, pretty girl.